Once upon a time, three adorable cat sisters, Momo, Hime, and Chibi, packed their bags for the adventure of a lifetime. They were heading to a magical place full of beauty, flavors, and fluffy dreams, Japan. Cherry blossoms danced in the wind as they explored ancient temples, posed for photos, and made tiny paw prints across Kyoto's gardens. Then came the food. Sushi, ramen, mochi, even matcha ice cream. So meowlicious by night. Tokyo sparkled like a dream. Lanterns lit the sky, and the sisters twirled under the stars, and after a day of perfect joy, they curled up in a cozy ryokan, full hearts, full tummies, and one beautiful memory. Arigato, Japan. Follow them for more adorable adventures.